Hi, Noella. I hope it gives you good memories, no? Ito po siya. There's A-line po to. This is A-line with applique, yung mga ganyan natin. Ito yung social natin. Let me see, social sage. Admin, get me social sage. Meron tayong small to double XL po. Ito yung hawak ko, meron tayong. Hi, Nora. Yes. Vilma, hello. Ay, si Maria. Marilyn, Lisa, Mercedita, Jean, Amparo. Good evening po. Dolly, good evening. Norma, good evening. For 5. Small to double XL po available natin. This is silk. According to our supplier, is silk. Okay, by the way, I'm not expert on tela except makikita ko chiffon, ano pa ba yung denim, ano pa ba yung alam ko na ano. But I'm relying po sa mga information from our supplier, okay? So I'm not expert on tela. So this is according to our supplier, silk and something else because of the applique. I do not know what is the material of the applique. Embroidery. Embroidery siya. Okay po, sige. Nasaan na ba ako? Hi, Saturnina! It's okay. Thank you for commenting. Okay lang yon. That's our signature look, okay? Next time, pag mag-live ka, wag kang mag-makeup, okay? Para sa amin, that is our signature look, okay? But thank you for commenting. Have a good day po. Sage, social sage. Ganyan siya. Okay lang. Ayaw mong pumayad. That's okay. Angeles, no problem. 4,005. Small to double XL available po natin. Like this. One color lang po ha. So sa mga mahilig sa mga sandali lang. Next time ayusin po. Myra, take a screenshot po. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Click, click, click. 1, 2, 3. Click, click, click. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Yung suot ko. Yes. Then medium ikaw po. Wala. Medium. Ganito po yung kamay niya. May kanya-kanya po tayong ano, no? Hi, Reina! Good evening! Okay, sandali lang po. pasensya na po. Kung nag-comment po kayo dyan, be prepared po na sasagutin ko kayo, ha? So, kasi may kanya-kanya po tayong may kanya-kanya po tayong looks. Kung mayroon kayong sa mukha ko, next time, if you ever go to live or something, then wag po kayo, yung sabi ko po, wag po kayong mag-makeup. But is not, how do I say this one? We are presenting the best way possible para sa aming page, okay? So, nothing personal. So don't attack the seller if whatever she look, because I'm not selling my looks. I'm selling clothes, okay? So this is the decision from our company. We need to look a certain way. Then that's how we look, okay? So sasagutin ko po kayo. So wag po kayong wag po kayong ma-offend kasi kayo po ang naunang nag-comment. Yes. So I'm just telling you reality in our page. This how we look. So free po kayong mag-lead ng live namin, okay? Nothing we are not forcing you all to watch our live or buy anything. No, it's all voluntarily, okay? Okay. Good evening, Christy. Okay, let's continue. Okay, 4,005 po siya. Dina, 4,005. Oh, yes po. Sandali lang po, ha. Sa mga nasa PM natin, yes, pag nag-confirm po kayo, maililista po. Maililista po yung nyo, yung mga pangalan nyo, okay? And then mag-invoice po kami after live.